me now. Please be now. It's just one time. Come on, come on. Okay. You don't know for sure yet. You don't know for sure. It's gonna be okay. Just... You can do this.
Hello, may I help you?
Yeah, I would like information on an abortion.
Yes, we can provide information for you, but first, have you taken a pregnancy test?
Yeah, I took one at home. It came out positive.
Okay, can I ask your name?
It's Lydia. This is my friend Lynn.
So nice to meet you both. I want you to know everything here is offered free and confidential. We do not offer abortions here or refer for them, but we can provide you with information regarding your options. Would you be interested in hearing about your options?
Yes, please.
Okay, Lydia, I need you to fill out some forms for me. This will give us information as to how we can help you the best. After you fill out this paperwork, we'll get started. And remember, everything here is free and confidential. Just let me know if you have any questions.
Hi Lydia, I'm Francie. I'm your client advocate for today. So come on back and we'll get started. So welcome to our center, Lydia. So how can I help you today?
A couple years ago, you came to my school and you did a program about sex and STDs. I was thinking maybe you could help me.
Oh yes, I remember being there. We do a lot of programs for the school. Did you find that pretty informative?
Yeah, I did.
Good, good. Well, tell me a little bit about what's going on for you today.
Well, I had a rough night about 2 months ago. I went to a party. I met a guy. We drank too much. Things happened. We had sex. I took a home pregnancy test this morning, and it came out positive. I think I need an abortion.
Okay, so we don't do abortions or provide abortifacient products. However, we do want to make sure that you have evidence-based information. So we will provide you today with information about abortion, all of your options, adoption, and parenting as well. Do you know very much about abortion? And how it affects your body? And
Yeah, I've had one before.
And tell me about that. How are you doing with that?
I'm okay sometimes. Other times I get really upset.
Okay. Well, we can talk more about that a little bit later. So if you're ready to begin, we'll go ahead and get the pregnancy test done and bring in our nurse, Tammy.
Yes, please.
Okay, let's do that then.
Lydia, your pregnancy test was positive today. Positive today.
Time. How did I let myself do this again?
Lydia, tell me what you're feeling.
I get so depressed and angry at times, and sometimes I'm okay, but sometimes I just...
You're under a lot of stress right now with this new pregnancy, and you may be experiencing some post-abortion syndrome, which is normal. And many women and men who've experienced an abortion go through this. And we actually offer a class that can help you go through a healing process to deal with this. And so if you're interested, we could set you up with that. It's completely confidential and free as well.
I'm just so scared. I don't think I can do this.
Lydia, we've given you a lot to think about today, and it is a big decision. Would you like me to schedule an ultrasound? That way we can determine the viability of this pregnancy and see if it's an interuterine pregnancy. I would perform that ultrasound in this room, and you would see everything on the big screen that I would see. If you'd like to, we could set up that appointment today.
Yeah, let's schedule that. Thank you. You've given me a lot to think about.
Yes.
Good.